Greetings everyone, welcome to Wealth Creation Investing. My name is Forex Joe, and in today's training session, we're going to be talking about the psychology of trading utilizing mindset principles. And as I put this disclaimer up, if you've never read our disclaimer before, if you're a first-time viewer of our videos, please stop the video at this time and review the disclaimer. Those of you that are veterans, that are members of Wealth Creation Investing, you've seen this many times, so let's continue. I always like to show the gears in direct correlation of multiple time frames in the Forex markets. Now there's four different types of trading styles. There's scalpers, day traders, swing traders, position traders. The more that you go from left to right, and I start every day with that daily chart, I'm looking left to right from the daily, weekly, and monthly chart and looking for lesser trades with more probability factors that's going to generate hundreds of pips where I can stay into a trade for days, weeks, months, and in some cases years. Each and every day that you're in the Forex markets, and I've been there since 2001, we bring our little buddy here, Skippy, up, and you will have light bulb moments. Now, many people have told me that this has been embedded in their mind, and every time that they get down in the dumps because of inexperience, they think about our little light bulb moments, and then they continue to move forward. The one thing to take into consideration is that if you're going to participate in the most liquid market on earth today, there will be a learning curve, but those of you that are able to follow the learning curve and accomplish the task will be well rewarded long term. You know, becoming a Forex trader has evolved in the 21st century due to upgrades in market analysis and software. I'm proud of my accomplishments in the last decade as techniques have withstood the test of time and will continue in the future. My mathematical, statistical, and analysis concepts, or my probability factors, continue to produce positive pips for traders on a consistent basis. One absolute that many traders fail to realize during their journey to success is the importance of mindset principles in maintaining an even keel of emotions over a long haul. You see, top professional athletes understand the psychology of maintaining the right-minded mindset in their chosen professional fields, along with the top wage earners in the world. Recent surveys suggest that wannabe Forex traders don't share the same mentality of the upper echelon income earners, as only 25% responded that mindset was a needed tool to ensure success. This is unbelievable. I like to say that if you want to become a Forex trader, you need the right game plan, and number 1A is having the right type of mindset to overcome the volatility that's in the Forex markets and deal with losses. Most people are unable to keep an even keel because they've never been taught about the right ways to handle money. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's world of constant storms in one's life, those with the driven mindset for success will prevail long term while the masses will fail. Please don't subscribe to the dumb money crowd. That is the 98%. If you want to make a difference in your life, then here's what you should understand. Many people feel that good intentions should count for something, but the harsh reality of the real world is that good intentions are as worthless as Confederate money. Good intentions don't mean a damn thing. You cannot build a house, a business, a relationship, or a bank account with them, and I doubt you can get to heaven with them either. Actions and results they produce, those count. That's what makes the difference. So my question to you is, are you ready to accept the challenge in whatever endeavor, whatever chosen field that you choose to participate in during life? Those of you that take on the responsibility will be successful and in the upper echelon. Those of you who don't, you do not need to be in a leadership type role. You need to just be a worker bee. I call you a worker bee because you have a job just over broke. And that sense of direction will continue. With that previous paragraph in the early 1980s, I decided to change my outlook on life. Yes, I had made it to the cusp of greatness before in many different endeavors and many times since then. And no matter for how short a time, greatness stays with a man or a woman. I was blessed to accomplish some special feats young in my years, but it slowed down my overall life mindset process. I became part of the crowd of entitlement that figured that I was owed these special considerations and accomplishments. I was human, and humans struggle consistently during life growing in many areas. But using the above as my rallying cry in the 1980s, I became a student and set sail on a journey of substance. Now let's fast forward into the 21st century, and I am sharing the importance of psychology of trading utilizing mindset principle to those willing to accept trading and mindset because they are tied together as one in the overall scheme of building a positive account long term. And that's what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen, is profit. When you can come up against difficult, challenging circumstances, understand in you there is a greatness that you just barely begin to realize. Accomplishment is largely a matter of creating a vision and then filling in the details. With time, effort, and commitment, learning the right techniques of a chosen field, you can accomplish whatever you make it a priority to accomplish. You will be amazed at what happens in your life when you make a specific area a top priority. I want to issue a challenge. I want to challenge you early on benefits of the power of mindset principles and how it will change your life. If you only give something of value, but you don't enjoy fruits from your labor, pretty soon your passion will become frustration, bitterness, and failure. No one wins in that situation. The psychology of trading utilizing mindset principle teaches you that abundance is your birthright. So is failure. Success comes to those learning how to deal with adversity. You will be propelled to unforeseen success or sabotage yourself to never reach your full destiny on earth. You see, you have choices. The journey begins with a simple process of following my Goal Setting 101 program consistently daily until you create new habits. Humans are creatures of habit, positive or negative. You ultimately decide your fate and sense of direction. There will be more forthcoming on a program later this summer that literally changes your thinking about life and success. Abundance is your birthright, as I alluded to earlier, so is failure. There's a fine line between the two that many never fully understand. Anyone aspiring to become a successful Forex trader or become above average in any field will be able to use these simple concepts over time to improve their lifestyle and maybe their bank accounts. Till next time, may all the pips be with you. Godspeed. My name is Forex Joe.